Hello everyone. How are you guys doing? Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to celebrate my sister-in-law Grace's 69th birthday. That's our apo and son-in-law. So we are now in Seven Corner to celebrate her birthday at Krabi Noodles. It's a Vietnamese seafood restaurant. So this is what we order. You should try this. It was very good. The food is really good. So sana i-try nyo rin. This is the gang. Yan yung mga pamangkin at my hubby, and then my sister is all the way to the back, and that's me of course. So nako, napalaban ng gusto ang kain. Napakarami ng in-order ng aming pamangkin. So ito, nag-blow siya ng candle ng cake dito sa may somewhere in Korean restaurant, cafe. So this is my sister-in-law. That's the one who's celebrating right now. So that's her daughter, which is our daughter. So ayan ang pamilya. Pero just as for, kasi it's a weekdays, her birthday is April 30, so Tuesday. So syempre lahat ng tao busy. Ayan. Happy birthday, ate! How old are you?
Oh my God! Spaghetti.
59, right, ate?
Japchae.
Japchae.
Japchae. Ate Maria. Dito tayo.
Ano eh? Yeah, ate. Sige, lagay mo lang dyan sa may bag ko.
Oh, sodas.
Kasi baka ginawin ako.
Malamig ah.
Malamig nga. Ito yung simoy.
Diyos ko. Mahangin talaga.
I know. Ano ba yan?
Sino Gio?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to What's going on? Wow. Oh my God.
What is that? Ew! It's a bunny.
Si Mami at saka si Ate at saka si Bunso. Okay, this is her cake. Napakaganda. Tatlo yung cake niya. Actually, ang daming sponsor. Kaya nakakakuha naman. Anyway, ito yung gugulo namin do. Para mag-have-fun. Actually, hindi ito bingo eh. I forgot yung totoong tawag dito sa game na ito. Kasi this is the first time na maglaro ako nito. And sa awa ng Diyos, hindi ako nanalo. Hindi ako lucky this time. So, hindi ka pa sigurado! Hindi kami binago ni Gigi ko. She's just quiet. Usually, she's always giving me a sign sa mga any occasion. But it's okay. So, ang dami naming handa. Ang daming handa nung aking sister-in-law na hinanda ng kanyang anak. Kaya talaga namang dito talaga sa Amerika magiging dambuhala ka kasi ang daming makain, puro pagkain ang inaatupag ng mga tao. This is Jollibee Chicken Joy yan. Then we have look yung talagang super what do you call this, crispy pata, yan, Jollibee. We have Jollibee kasi alam niya naman dito wala namang time magluto-luto kaya lagi na lang nag-order. So anyway, bali ilang celebration ito, 3 celebration from yung seafood and the coffee shop para sa cake na nag-loget, and then this is the final celebration. Kaya ang daming celebration actually. So that's my hubby, and this is my sister-in-law Grace. Happy birthday ate, hope you had fun. And this is my other in-law from Pamangkin, Grace din, pareho silang Grace.
Happy birthday to you.